Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, and we're going to make a cat house. Okay, so this is the materials: lime concrete, yes, birch sign, nether brick fence, and quartz stairs. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Let's dig like a square. Dig a dirt like a square, 3 by 3, okay? Ka-ching! Now, the surface of the dirt must replace by a lime concrete. 1, 2, 3. Ka-ching! Yes. So that's beautiful now. So in this, we're going to add this hole. Yes. You put some chest here. Two large quests, guys, and put some nether fence, better decoration, and in this nether brick fence, I'm going to add a birch sign. 1, 2, ding. So this card is great looking with a birch sign. Okay, so this is the design number 1. It's pretty good looking, huh? So guys, we're going to create a cat with design number 2. As I said before, let's dig to 3 by 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Ka-ching! Now I forgot the materials or equipments, okay? So 1, 2, 3, ka-ching! Now materials is birch planks, chest, birch sign, birch fence, and birch stairs. Now let's cover it up in a birch planks. 1, 2, 3. Ka-ching! Now let's put some chest here. And okay, so let's put in these fences, as I said before on the design number 1, let's put these fences up birch sign. 1, 2, 3, go! Ching! Now I put all the birch signs all over the birch fences. Now it's finished the design number 2. So guys, we're creating a cat house in design number 3. So as I let's dig 3 by 3. Yeah, I forget the materials. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, it just appeared, guys. So where materials is birch fence gate, white concrete, iron trapdoor, lever, birch sign, redstone lamp, and a chest. So let's remove this one. Oh, okay guys, I forgot them. So let's put these levers and don't forget to turn it on. And yes, so your pet house is glowing. Ooh, I forgot about the stairs. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it just appeared too. Okay. Yes, and have a gate. And if you more design, let's put this after. So inside, let's put sign in here in all of the fences except the fence the 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's now finished. This is the design number 3. Which one is your favorite? Is your favorite is design number 1? This looks pretty good. Is your favorite is design number 2? Pretty good too. Last but not the least, do you favorite this design number 3? This is my favorite because the floor is glowing. Thank you guys for watching this three cat this three cat these 3 cat houses is pretty good. Thank you so much for watching.